Hi, in this video I am going to discuss about gray to binary code conversion and binary to gray code conversion. Gray code. It is an unweighted code and it is not an arithmetic code. That means for addition and subtraction we are not using. Gray code is a sequence of binary number system which is also known as reflected binary code. Then the main important property of this gray code is it exhibits only a single bit change from one code word to the next sequence. This property is important in many applications such as sharp position encoders and optical encoders. Gray code is also known as cyclic code or reflected binary code or reflected binary in Gray code. The gray code is most popular for the unit distance code, but it is not suitable for arithmetic operations. Gray code has some application in analog to digital converters as well as being used for error correction in digital communication. Gray code reflective property. Let's see how it works. Now we are it's a 4-bit combination, so we are making 16 combinations. Now we will start from at this point. Now it's binary 701111 and we are taking 1's complement of 7. 1's complement of 7 is 1000, that is 8. So if you are taking 1's complement of 7, that will give 8. And next if you are taking 1's complement of 6, that will give the answer of 9. Then if we take 1's complement of 5, then it will give the answer for 10. Then 1's complement of 4 will give the answer for 11. So this is called reflective property, and also we are saying the mirror images. And here gray code is the main property is the subsequent bits are differ by single bits. That is this is binary 0, the next bit is 1. These two bits are differ by single bit. Similarly 1 and 2 are differ by single bit. Same way 3 and 4 is differ by single bit. Same way 3 and 4 is differ by single bit. So here the changing one bit to other bit is very easy. So the possibility of error occurrence is very less if you are using the gray code. This is the truth table for binary and gray code for 4-bit combinations. Binary to gray code conversion. First we will start with the MSB bit. The MSB bit is this position. So here we are going to convert the binary 101110 to gray code. So first we are starting with the MSB position. The MSB in the gray code is same as the corresponding MSB in the binary number. So for the first gray code output we have to write the result as it is. So MSB of gray code and binary code is same. Then going from left to right, add each adjacent pair of binary code bits to get the next gray code bit. Then discard the carries. So first we have to exclusive OR with the adjacent bits. So 1 exclusive with 0, the result is 1. Next again this bit exclusive with 1. So 0 exclusive 1, the result is 1. Then 1 exclusive 1, the result is 0. Then here 1 exclusive 0, the result is 0. This is the way we can convert our binary bits to gray bit. So we are using the exclusive OR gate operations. So this is the truth table for the XOR gate. Gray to binary code conversion. So first we have to write the MSB in the binary code is same as the corresponding bit in the gray code. So this is MSB position. So MSB position of binary code and gray code is same. Then next, to obtain the next binary digit, perform an exclusive OR operation between the bit just written down and the next gray code bit. Then write down the result. Repeat step 2 until all gray code bits have been exclusively ORed. Then add each binary bit generated to the gray code bit in the next adjacent position. Then discard any carries. So we are going to convert our gray code word 110112 equivalent binary. So first we are starting from the MSB bit. So MSB bit is same as gray code as well as binary. So we are writing 1 with 1 here. So 1 and binary also 1. Now we are the exclusively OR with this answer and the second bit. So 1 plus 1 exclusive OR with 1 is 0. So the second bit is 0. Now the second bit exclusively OR with the third gray bit. So 0 exclusive 0 is answer is 0. Now the third bit exclusively OR with the next gray bit. So 0 exclusive 1 is 1. Then now 1 exclusive 1 is equal to 0. So this is the way we can convert our gray code into binary format. Thank you.